Hi guys, today we are going to look at chapter 1 of mathematics. Okay, the lesson name is numbers 0 to 9. Okay, let's see this picture. ఈ పిక్చర్ చూడండి, ఇందులో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో చెప్పండి. హౌ మెనీ క్రోస్ ఆర్ బర్డ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 birds are there. Monkeys 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 monkeys, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 monkeys are there. How many flowers are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 flowers. Okay. How many parts are there? 3 parts. And how many butterflies? 1 2 3 4. 4 butterflies. How many children? 3 children. How many fruits? 2 fruits. These are fruits or tomato? Fruits. One teddy bear. Okay. One tree. What else? What else? How many balls are there? 6 balls are there. So what do you observe in this picture? You observed all these things, right? And the 1 2 3 4 5 5 buttons, and these alphabets also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 3 6 7 8 8. Okay. In a among 8, 4 jets, 1 A, 1 D, 1 G, 1 P. Okay. Do you see the teddy bear? Yes, we saw the teddy bear. How many boys are there? 2 boys are there. How many birds are there? 7 birds are there. How many parts are there? 3 parts are there. What are children doing? They are playing. How many butterflies are there? Butterflies ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 4. 4 butterflies are there. How many balls are there? 6 balls are there. Are the leaves more than flowers? Yes, leaves are more than flowers. Okay. Where are the monkeys? Monkeys are on the stairs. Okay. MP UPs. జయంతిపురం. ఓకే. మండల పరిషత్ ఉన్నత పాఠశాల. Okay, let's see the rhyme. Sun in the sky 1 1 1, hands to man 2 2 2, colors in the flag 3 3 3, legs to cow 4 4 4, fingers to hand 5 5 5, faces of dice 6 6 6, days in a week 7 7 7, legs of octopus 8 8 8, jumps are 9 9 9 9. So this is the song. Yeah, there is only one sky, one sun in the sky. Okay. How many hands are there for a man? 2 hands are there. Flower colors in the flag, 3 colors. Okay. Legs to cow, ఆవుకి ఎన్ని కాళ్ళు ఉంటాయి? 4. Fingers to hand, ఒక హ్యాండ్కి ఎన్ని ఫింగర్స్ ఉంటాయి? 5. Faces of dice తాలూకు ఫేస్ ఎన్ని? 6. Days in a week, వారానికి రోజులు 7. Legs of octopus 8. Gems are 9. Okay. Now we will match the objects according to their number. 1 balloon. Okay. 1 boat. If balloon is 1, it has to be matched with yes, it has to be matched with 1 boat 2, right? 2 balloons 2, 3 balloons 3, 3, 4 balloons has to be matched with 4. Where are they? 4, right? 5, 5. Yeah, mapping is done, matching is done, right? Look at the picture given below. Count each thing. Tell the number of things of each type. How many mangoes are there? 3 6 mangoes are there. 2 children are playing. 1 fisherman is there on the boat. 1 monkey is there. two hands. Huh? Probably two hands are there. One, two, three, four, five. Five chickens are there. Okay. How many this birds? One bird is there. One tree. Okay. No. This is mango tree. This is perhaps coconut tree. One house is there. Okay. One boat. One fisherman. Tortoise. Four. Okay. Not four. Five. One, two, three, four, five. How many boats are there? One boat is there. How many suns are there? One sun. Houses? One bird. So one balloon, one dot, 1 rupee, one finger, one. Okay. Count the beads in each box. Okay. And write the number one like this. Join the dots, you will get number one. Okay. Rule: change from number name to number. Number name is one. Out is one. How many tails do animals have? Only one tail. Look at the picture given below. Count each thing. Tell the number of things each type. Two birds are there. Two goats are there. Two bulls. Two bulls are there. Two dogs are there. Two people. Okay. What else you want? So two balloons, two dots, 2 rupees, two fingers, two. Bulls are two. Oh, this is two. What is this? Birds are two. Goats are two. Dogs are two. Look and count. 1 plus 1 umbrella equal to 2 umbrellas. So 1 bead, 2 beads. Join the dots like this. You will get 2. Okay. 2 in, 2 out, right? Let's write 2 then. Okay. That is number name. This is number. What are the organs that are in number in there? What are the organs that are 2 in number in our body? 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 ears. Okay. Fine. Next 3. Look at the picture given below. Count each thing. Tell the number of things of each type. Okay. 3 mangoes are there. 3 birds are there. 3 children are playing with 3 pots. Okay. 3 chickens are there. Okay. These are also 3. Okay. 3 birds, 3 chickens, 3 pots. This also 3. Okay. 3 balloons, 3 dots, 3 rupees, 3 fingers, 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Count the beads in each box. Read and write the number of using dots in each box. 1, 2, 3. This is how you have to write 3. Okay, join the dots and write 3. 3 on, 3 in, 3 out. So now you have to write number name, number 2, number name, number in, number name out. How many colors are there in national flag? 3. 4. Look at the picture given below. Count each thing. Tell the number of things of each type. Birds are 4. Children are 4. These tires, tractor tires are 4. Bottles 4. Trees are 4. Okay. Birds are 4. Tires are 4. Trees are 4. Children are 4. Okay. 4 balloons, 4 dots, 4 rupees, 4 fingers, 4. Fine. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how you have to write 4. This is also 4. Okay. So join the dots and write 4. Look at the picture given below. Count each thing. Tell the number of things of each type. See these five birds. Okay, five cars. Okay, how many balls? One, two, three, four, five balls. Are there any kites there? Yes, one, two, three, four, five. Five kites. So, five birds, five balls, five kites, five cars. Five balloons, five dots, 5 rupees, five fingers, five. 1 plus 1 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5. So, 1 beat, 2 beats, 3 beats, 4 beats, 5 beats. This is how you have to write 5. So, join the dots and write 5. Now, let's match the things. Okay, we will match. One cap is there. So, 1 will go to 1 dot. Okay, next 3 alarm clocks are there. 3 will be mapped to 3 dots. 2 chocolates, sorry, this is also not necessary. 2 chocolates are there, will be mapped to 2 dots. Okay, 2 dots. Next, 5 balls are there, mapped to 5 dots. Okay, now see 5 5. This is how you have to um, match 3 dots 3. What is its name? Number name is 3, so it has to be mapped to 3. Okay, now this is only one, right? One is mapped to 1 dot. Okay, and this 1 dot name is 1 only. Okay, 2 is mapped to 2 dots. Okay, in the name 2. 4 is mapped to 4 dots. Okay, and the name is 4. Number 6 to 9. Look at the picture given below. Count each thing. Tell the number of things of each type. Balloons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balloons. How many ants? 6 ants. Okay. How many children? 6 children. How many mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 mangoes. So, what do you observe in the picture? This is what we observe in the picture. How many children are there? 6 children are there. How many mangoes are there? 9 mangoes are 9 mangoes. Yeah, 9 mangoes are there. How many ants are there? There are 6 ants. Okay. Look at the picture given below. Count each thing. Tell the number of things of each type. 5 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horses. 2 elephants. 6 balloons. 6 children. How many balloons? 6 balloons. How many birds? 6 birds. How many horses? 6 horses. 6 balloons, 6 dots, 6 rupees, 6. Okay. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6 carrots. 3 carrots plus 3 carrots, 6 carrots. 3 plus 1 plus 2, again 6. 4 plus 2, again 6. So 5 bits, 6 bits. This is how you will write 6. Okay. So join the dots, write 6. Look at the picture given below. Count each thing. Tell the number of things of each type. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds. 7 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are also 7. Okay. And chicks. 7 chicks. 7 chicks, 7 birds. 7 vessels. Okay. 7 balloons, 7 dots, 7 rupees, 7. 3 plus 2 plus 2, how much? 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 bits, 6 bits, 7 bits. This is how you will write 7. So join the dots and write 7. Look at the picture given below. Count each thing. Tell the number of things of each type. How many birds? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 birds are there. How many children? 3, 3, 6, 8 children. Uh, how many kites? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kites. How many carrots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carrots. Okay. So 8 kites, 8 birds, 8 carrots, 8 balloons, 8 dots, 8 rupees, 8. So 3 plus 3 plus 2, how much? 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 bits, 7 bits, 8 bits. Okay. So this is how you will write 8. So join the dots and write 8. Look at the picture given below. Count each thing. Tell the number of things of each type. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 birds are there. People 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are also 9. 9 flowers, 9 birds, 9 people. 9 balloons, 9 dots, 9 rupees, 9. Now add them up. 5 plus 2 plus 2, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 bits, 7 bits, 8 bits, 9 bits. So this is how you will write 9. Okay. Join the dots and write 9. Count the object and write the correct number in the circle. Okay. How many bangles are there? 6. I hope they are bangles. These pieces are 7. That is already written. But this frog is only 1. Parrots are 2. Pens are 3, 6, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 9 pens. Apple, 5 apples. Okay. These are also 4. Books 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 books. Cats, 3 cats. Circle the correct number. How many these are? 4. So 4 is the correct answer. So you need to circle 4. 3 apples, you need to circle 3. Oh, 6 leaves, so you need to circle 6. So 3, 6, 8. 8 balls, you need to circle 8. Okay, 0. 4 little ducks are swimming in the pond, swimming in the pond. One little duck went away. How many ducks are there? 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. One more duck went away. How many ducks are there? 2. 2. Another duck went away. How many ducks are there? 1. Alone. 1. The last duck also went away. How many ducks are there? 1 minus 1, 0. 0. There are no ducks in the pond. There are 0 ducks. Buzzy is counting the tiles in a row. You also count each color of the tile. Tell the number of black color and white color tiles in each row. 3 black color or 3 white color. That's it. Okay. Observe the number strip 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Frog is at point 0. Now frog is at point 4. Now frog is at point 7. Now frog is at point 9. Before, between, after. 1 to 9 numbers are there. Okay. Tell the names of the animals. This is your rabbit. This is your cat. This is your dog. 。  This is your dog. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. ။  This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 This is your dog. 。 This is your cat. 。 Ass or donkey. Donkey or this is tiger or this is lion or this is horse or this is not a bull or oh not bull then cow or oh these are the names. What is your favorite animal? You tell your favorite animal. Which animal is before the donkey? Before the donkey it is monkey. Which animal is after the donkey? After the donkey it is tiger. Which animal is between the dog and donkey? Dog and donkey, monkey. What is the number of bogie in which the donkey is found? 5. Which bogie is before the bogie number 4? 3. Which bogie is after the bogie number 4? 5. Tell the number between 6 and 8, 7. Which number lies between 7 and 9? 8. So observe the number strip. 3 is before 4, 5 is after 4. So 4 is lies between 3 and 5. Okay. So circle the number before 6. That we will circle. Okay. That is nothing but 5. This is not circle. Yes, 5. Circle the number before 5. 4. Circle the number after 3. 4. Okay. Circle the number after 7. 8. Okay. Now exercise. Write the numbers from 1 to 9. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That you have to write. Here 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So write the number that comes after 7. 8. After 6. 7. After 4. 5. After 3. 4. After 2. 3. After 1. After 1. 2. So here you can see what comes before and after. Before 7. Before 7 it is 6, right? So write 6 here. Before after 7 it is 8. Okay. So before 5 it is 4. Write 4 here. After 5 it is 6. Write 6. Before 3 it is 2. So write 2. After 3 it is 4. Write 4. Okay. So before 2 it is 1. So write 1. After 2 it is 3. So write 3. Before 8 it is 7. Write 7. After 8 it is 9. So write 9. Before 4 it is 3. Write 3. After 4 it is 5. Write 5. Okay. So this is where this is the last topic of the unit 1. We just now completed the first unit of first class mathematics. Okay. Thank you. We will meet in the next class with the other lesson number 2 or unit 2. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.